Hi everyone, today I am doing Toyota Aygo Peugeot 107 and Toyota Aygo 1 liter. Is a common problem of these car when you do the indicator, and indicator is works only just one side, and sometimes is only just constantly working, not flashing. And if you can switch ignition on, you can see this side is working, the other side is not work and blink, and then is not working. So like this, and work and blink, and then is not like flash and not working. So this is the common problem. If you have like this type of problem, sometime is left hand side, sometime is right hand side. So if you have the problem of like this, so we can repair your car. If you bring the car to us, car will be ready in like 1 hour, and we give you the warranty as well. And if you need my help, you need to strip down whole thing, and problem is inside the steering column, and we can fix your problem. Yeah, my name is Terry. We are in Hounslow, and my postcode is Tango Whiskey 33 Tango Tango and 171 Hounslow Motor Limited, my name shop, and my phone number is 07402536382. You can contact me anytime and bring the car. The car will be ready like in 1 hour. You can see my other videos. If you have any problem, you can contact with me on WhatsApp, email and phone number anytime. Thanks for watching my video.